Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that is crucial for investors and anyone looking to navigate turbulent market conditions. 3 secrets to survive a bear market. A bear market refers to a period of declining stock prices and pessimistic market sentiment. By understanding and implementing these secrets, you'll be better equipped to protect your investments and even capitalize on opportunities during challenging times. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Before we unveil the secrets to surviving a bear market, it's important to understand what a bear market is and its characteristics. Here are 3 key points to help you grasp the concept. First, a bear market is typically characterized by a sustained decline in stock prices, usually by 20% or more, over a period of at least 2 months. It is driven by negative investor sentiment, economic downturns, or other systemic factors. Second, a bear market can have a significant emotional toll on investors. It often triggers fear, uncertainty, and the potential for poor decision-making. It's crucial to stay calm, rational, and well-informed during such market conditions. Third, the historical perspective shows that bear markets are a natural part of market cycles. While they can be challenging, bear markets have eventually been followed by recoveries and new market highs. Maintaining a long-term investment perspective is key, rather than making hasty decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Now that we have a solid understanding of bear markets, let's explore 3 secrets to help you survive and thrive during these challenging times. The first secret is diversification. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. By diversifying your portfolio, you can potentially mitigate losses in one area while capturing gains in others. The second secret is risk assessment and asset allocation. It's important to conduct a thorough risk assessment and review your asset allocation during a bear market. Reassess your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Adjust your asset allocation to align with your risk tolerance and consider rebalancing your portfolio if necessary. The third secret is to maintain a long-term investing mindset and embrace the opportunities that arise during a bear market. While market downturns can be challenging, they also present potential opportunities to buy quality assets at discounted prices. Focus on the fundamental value of your investments and avoid making emotionally driven decisions. Surviving a bear market requires knowledge, strategy, and discipline. By implementing these 3 secrets, diversification, risk assessment, and asset allocation, and maintaining a long-term investing mindset, you'll be better positioned to navigate the challenges and potentially capitalize on opportunities that a bear market presents. Diversification is a crucial strategy during a bear market. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions, you can reduce the impact of downturns in specific areas. This approach helps mitigate losses and allows you to capture gains in other parts of your portfolio. In addition to diversification, it's essential to conduct a thorough risk assessment and review your asset allocation. A bear market is an ideal time to reassess your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Based on your assessment, adjust your asset allocation to align with your risk tolerance and consider rebalancing your portfolio if necessary. This ensures that your investments are in line with your long-term objectives. Maintaining a long-term investing mindset is key when facing a bear market. It's important to remember that markets go through cycles, and downturns are part of the natural ebb and flow. While it can be tempting to react emotionally to market volatility, it's crucial to focus on the fundamental value of your investments. Rather than succumbing to fear and panic, take a long-term perspective and seize the potential opportunities that bear markets can offer. This approach allows you to make informed decisions based on sound investment principles. In conclusion, surviving a bear market requires knowledge, strategy, and discipline. By implementing these 3 secrets, diversification, risk assessment, and asset allocation, and maintaining a long-term investing mindset, you'll be better positioned to navigate the challenges and potentially capitalize on opportunities that a bear market presents. Thank you for watching our video on 3 secrets to survive a bear market. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more investment tips and insights.